Hey, what's up guys? So today I am here to do an unboxing and review of a purse subscription that I got. It is called Bolzano. I believe that's what it's called. Anyway, so it came in this bag, and then I also have a smaller bag. It's a purse as well as accessory subscription. So I'm just going to unbox them one at a time and give you guys kind of my first impression. Now, y'all know how much I love unboxing purses. Alright. So first of all, I love the little bag that it came in. It kind of reminds me of the dust bags that my Michael Kors come in a little bit. So that's really cool. I love that I have something to keep it in when I'm not wearing it. Alright. Oh, what's that? Oh, so it's just like a little pamphlet that's telling me about the brand. So the first thing that I noticed about this bag is the color. It is a nice pretty fall color. It reminds me of like a cross between brown and like a wine maroon type color, so that's cute for fall. And I like the bronze. The little key right here is cute as well. It reminds me of my Hamiltons that I love so much. So it looks like to open it you just, yeah, so you just pop that right there and it opens up. There's a zipper and you can see just like the brand, if you can read it, their name is kind of right there on the inside, and also on the zipper there's a B-O. So that's cute. I'll just unzip this here. Alright, so it is a pretty nice size bag, it seems. You guys know I love big bags. Super huge, but it is a great size. It's like a nice size here. So on the inside I see various pockets. 1, 2, at least 4. And one being a zip pocket. So you can kind of put like your important things in there. So I would classify this as a medium size probably. It's not as small as a crossbody, but it's not as huge as some other bags that I have seen. So on the bottom there's the little 4 feet that I love for my bags to have so that they're not sitting directly on the floor there. And then of course the handles that you can either wear up on your shoulder or in the crook of your arm. So that's cute. So I'm going to set this to the side. I'm going to go ahead and open the accessory portion. Okay, so the first thing that I see when I open the accessory bag is that there are 2 items in here. The first one being what looks like a scarf. So this is definitely very colorful. I can't necessarily say that I would personally wear this one. I'm not exactly sure how I would wear it, but maybe it would be cute like tie it around a bag or something. If you're gonna like, if you want to bring out an extra pop of color in your bag. So maybe even the one that came with it. My sister is like the expert at tying scarves. She can make any scarf look cute. Anyways, maybe you could like do something like that. I don't know. Just play around with it. That is an idea. Other thing in here is a little dainty necklace. So it just says XO. And it's just like something that could add a little extra something to your outfit. You know, like maybe a little girly touch. If you're like feeling cute, you're like, hugs and kisses. That's it.